Australian Manufacturing Week takes place in Sydney in April 2024. With 7 exclusive product zones, it's the place to discover the latest in manufacturing innovations and technology, so make sure you register to attend. Hi, I'm Tim Webster. For the latest in metalworking and machine tools, visit the Oztech Machine Tools Zone. To see the latest in 3D printing technology, head to the Additive Manufacturing Zone, which includes additive manufacturing users and suppliers. For the latest automation innovations to optimise your manufacturing operations, visit the Robotics and Automation Zone. To learn about the latest in plastics machinery, mould making technologies, recycling materials and plastics manufacturing processes, visit the Plastics Technology Zone. For optimised solutions to common challenges faced by manufacturers such as materials handling, integrating manufacturing and warehousing, make your way to the Manufacturing Solutions Zone. For the latest in welding and in compressor technology, there's the Weld and Air Solution Zone. And finally, for the very best in Australia's precision engineering and advanced manufacturing industry, don't miss the Australian Manufacturers Pavilion. Register to attend now by going to australianmanufacturingweek.com.au. And thank you for watching.